お邪魔します。
Hello everyone! ダーリンはハンターのユリと
ジョシュです。
カナダを離れてニュージーランドに帰国するために私たちは明日このロッジを離れるんですが、今日はロッジで過ごすラストナイトということでルームツアーをしたいと思います。それでは早速行ってみよう。
行ってみよう。
いや、行ってみよう。そして、それでは早速行ってみよう。I'm gonna show you kitchen. Come on, follow me. So I'm gonna show you my favorite spots in this kitchen. Now you can see. Ta-da! Counter bar. 日中仕事をしていると一緒に過ごせる時間が限られてくるので、私もしくはダーリンが料理している時でも一方がカウンターで作業できるのが良きです。We don't have to open the doors every time when we need cups and plates. 日本と違ってここは地震があまりというか未だに一度も経験したことないんですけど、だからこそできるタイプのシェフなのかなと思います。Yeah, this pantry is pretty big for us, right? このサイズは2人だとちょっと大きすぎなんですけど、ハンターさんたちとかがね、ここに来た時にはそのシーズンになったらここが一面物や食べ物でいっぱいになります。
I'd like to introduce you to my bench top. So this is where I keep all of my sweets and snacks. And so I work a lot outside, and every time I come inside, well, not every time, but most times I want to eat something. So I can just walk past and grab it and then carry on.
After it's super mess now.
It's actually pretty clean.
Okay, for video, right?
Yeah. Usually it's more messy than that, but today is an exception.
Okay. But do you have a secret?
About the floor.
Yes.
There's hot water pipes in it, and that's the main source of heating for the whole lodge.
Ooh, looks cozy.
You want me to turn the light on?
This is living room.
Nice. They're building a new section out outside. So this piece will be cut
Yeah.
here. Then you'll be able to walk through into like a theatre.
Theater? Oh, is it theater room?
Yeah.
Is it?
That's where the TV's gonna go.
Oh, okay. So what will this room be?
More animals.
Oh, this is for animals. These are our favorite TV series.
What is it?
These are Man Tracker. Few years or several years ago.
Yeah.
So you have to explain why. This is our favorite. Why?
Why?
Yeah.
Because my boss is the man tracker.
そうなんです。このテレビの中にいる人がダーリンのボスなんです。This TV show is on TV in America and then also Canada, right?
They're really popular.
Next is don't forget this room. Secret room. I can't open it.
No one knows what it is.
I know, but it's secret. And then there is a secret button, secret switch in here. Go. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
See the mountain. スイッチを押すと岩がこんな風に回転します。
Pajama. Yeah. That's a big one. What is your favorite three animals?
Three animals. Huh. Polar bear. Biggest bear in the world, right? This polar bear was shot by American, but they couldn't take it to America because the rule. Look, my hand is like a baby.
Oh, it's bigger than your pinky. Wow.
Muskox?
Muskox.
この頭蓋骨のここの後ろの部分がすごくくぼんでいて、ここにがっちりね、この角が収まってるんですけど、不思議な生き物。Bison? I like bison.
Bison. Which one is your favorite?
Eyes are really cute and shiny.
My favorite ones, maybe the most interesting one, There's this one here. I need to find out what they're called, but they are so tiny. Look, its leg is about as thick as my finger. Those were adults. You can see how old they are because of these. One of my favorites, one of the reasons I came here. Moose. This moose is an Alberta moose, a Canada moose. So it's not as big as the Yukon moose. This one's smaller than this Canada moose.
Look the neck.
This is an elk.
And they're really handsome.
This one.
That's
So this here door we added last Sunday. This used to just be a wall and animals here, but we're building an extra wing on the side for some living quarters for hunters.
Ooh.
Super cold. Yeah, so that's that. And then that one there takes you out into the workshop.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5? Wow, that's
And
a
the
full.
5 other side in class 2. Can you
Yeah.
calculate how many people?
12.
Yes. This is the bathroom. That's it.
This is the bathroom. Thanks. Good tour. So usually the cook sleeps in here during hunting season.
Ta-da. They are 3 bedrooms. 1, 2, 3. I mean, it's pretty empty because we have to live tomorrow. So, 2 beds, light, shelf. ここで過ごしてた時は服をね、大量にここにしまっていました。
This is room number 2. That every room has kind of a different theme. So this one has whitetail and a black bear. Perfect for hunters. And then this room has really got some really funky animals in there. Like a mule deer. And then 2 really cool whitetails. Super cool. And then a wolf skin. Finally, the bathroom. This is the one that we use the most. Beautiful shower. Oh, that's for horses, but I'm not actually sure what it's called.
It's pretty small though. We can't fit together.
Alright, so that's the bathroom.
それではちょっと急ぎ足になっちゃったんですけど、ルームツアーはここまでにしたいと思います。Thank you for watching our videos. Maybe next time we will be in New Zealand.
We've got new and exciting things coming up. So make sure to stay tuned. Thank you guys a lot for watching us this year and last year in Canada.
それではおやすみなさい。またね。バイバイ。